Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful save the date wedding invitation video in Canva. Let's jump right in and open a mobile video canvas. First thing I'm gonna do is find a background for our video. And for this design, I'm going for a more Tuscan Italian vibe. So I'm just going to go under Elements, type in Tuscany and find some photo backgrounds. Next, I want to start with the actual save the date. So again, under Elements, I'm going to find some papers. There are so many options to choose from. I want to find something a bit more elegant, maybe lacy, whatever works for your wedding theme. Note that I'm designing in Canva Pro, so I'm not really nitpicking between the Pro and free elements. Okay, I really like this one, so I'm gonna use it as my invite, and then we need to add some text. Select a text box from our menu and write your invitation details. As you saw in the intro, I'm going to use a few different paper layers. So for the first one, I just want to keep it clear and start off with the names. Of course, you can tailor this completely to your invitation and provide as much info as you want. In the video editor below, I want to make sure that all of my texts are aligned and the same length. So in the video, they will all appear in the same time. After they're all in order, I'm going to group all the elements together so that you can move the invitation as a single element and attach some animations to it. I want to keep this one very subtle, so maybe just a slow blur animation. And I want it applied on both enter and exit of our element. Okay, now let's find some curtain designs. Again, under elements, you can search from either graphics or photos, or even import your own. I kind of like these ones. I feel they match our aesthetic here, but I need them split into two separate curtains, so left and right, which I'm going to achieve just by cropping the image, then duplicating it and cropping it to the other side as well. You can see that our paper invitation is not yet visible because I want it to appear after the curtains start moving. So let's add the animation. Select your curtain, click Animate, and find Create an Animation. Now you can just drag your element in the straight line out of the canvas. You'll see a little purple line appear of your movement. And you can slightly adjust the style so you can make it more smoother or change the speed. And then we'll do the exact same thing, just in different direction on the other side. Amazing. Now make sure you adjust the timings of your elements so everything shows up exactly when you want it to. With the same technique as before, so adding a paper and grouping the text together, I created another paper card with some more details about the event. And I wanted to kind of fall into the frame. So first I'm going to move it outside of the canvas, select animate, and just like with the curtains, create a custom animation. So let's move it to the center and see how it looks. And I'll do the same with the little envelope I found under our elements. And make sure to adjust our timing. Because this is going to be sent as a video format, you want to make sure that you have smaller chunks of text and enough time for people to read them without having to pause all the time. I feel like I want to add another transition between our two papers. So let's see if I can find some flower petals maybe flowing. Maybe like this video of the roses, but I'm not a huge fan of the red for this invitation, so let's see if I can change the colors just by making some edits to the video. First, of course, I'll need to remove the background. And then under edits, I will try to lighten the petals so they're white by adjusting the brightness, the saturation, the shadows, and of course cropping the video to the right size. Okay, now that's very subtle and cute. I just want to add the final layer of text telling the guests they will be receiving more detailed information later on. So I'm adding another text box. Maybe I'm applying some typewriter animation. And then maybe the final signature of the couple. Make sure that all of your end frame elements end at the same time, so the video will end where you want it to. I absolutely love how this turned out. Then all that's left to do is click on share, download, and download as an MP4 video. That's all there is to it. And I really hope you like this design and that it inspired you to create something unique and gorgeous for your event. And if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help if I can. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I'm the brand and web designer behind Studio Bresi. Here I share design tutorials along with occasional branding and business tips to help you bring your creative vision to life with confidence and ease. Thank you so much for watching and being here and joining me on this creative journey. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more design tutorials, Squarespace tips, and creative inspiration. I'll see you in the next one.